Hello everyone, this is Kaur from English Asan and welcome to you all in this live session. Sorry, in this video. No, it's not live session. Today I'm outside with my maternal grandmother, and as you guys can see, I'm outside and I am enjoying the nature, and this in nature is very peaceful and I feel very good after coming outside. And I have came outside from my house after so many days. As you guys can see, my face is not visible just because of the sun. Okay, it's not visible properly, but I am trying to record myself somehow. And see, that's my maternal grandmother. As you guys can see, she is walking just before me. Okay, so I feel very good after coming outside from. And I just want to share one thing also. If you are outside, you can also describe that thing in English. For example, right now I'm walking and I'm trying to speak English, and I'm also trying to describe the nature. As you guys can see, uh, there are many trees behind me and many houses as well. And as well as there are many people who are coming and going. As you guys can see, there are many houses, many gates, and many trees in their houses as well. They are green trees. I know that trees are green, but I feel very good. I feel peaceful after coming here. Okay, and apart from this, if I am trying to describe this thing, I'm walking, as well as I'm trying to describe this thing in English, so you may also learn like this. Okay, try to describe whatever is around you. You may describe your surrounding like this, as I am describing it. And you guys know that trees are very important for our nature. We can inhale oxygen from the by the help of trees, so they are necessary for getting a good oxygen. Okay, so trees are like playing crucial role in everyone's life. Okay, they give us food, they give us fruits, and they give us leaves as well, by the help of which we can make some medicines. And they give us wood as well, by the help of which we can make things for sitting, just like chairs, tables, and many things as well. So trees are playing crucial role in our life. And apart from this, what we can say, they give us shadow as well. Okay, sorry for the background noise, but they give us shadow as well. So they are playing a crucial role in our life. They are an integral part of our life. That's all for today. Thank you.